this. Oh my god, hold my hand back for me. Oh my god, my sunglasses. Babes, oh my god, I can't believe it. This is crazy. This is where you put this is where my sunglasses should go. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my god, and it fits. Oh my god.
So it is what it is. For me, I'll stick to my Ubers and Bolts. And from now onwards, this is your car. You can take it wherever you want to go to, wherever you want to go in Ghana. And I know that you are welcome to your new home. And your new home, you need to explore it, right? So making sure that you explore your new home, I feel like you deserve something better.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
When I met Maya, he was just a hustler. He didn't have anything. But through the years, he's been able to do so much for his family, for us, for everyone. Yes. So when you meet a boy out there, don't judge him because of where he is at the moment. Think of where he could be in future. That's what I want to say. So thank you, babes. Come.
You're not a relationship advisor.
I'm just saying.
I feel like my wife deserves this. It's been 4 years of us knowing each other, and there's no single day this lady has asked me, hey, buy me a car, or I want money for my hair.
Like, baby, this